Hi, my name is Alwin and I'm a keyboard demonstrator from Yamaha. So Yamaha has launched brand new models from the I series, that is 510 and the 610. So today I'm here to demonstrate the 510 which is in front of me. Okay, starting off from the control panel. Compared to the previous models, the I series had only one knob for the styles and voices. But then from this particular model, we have separated the voice category and the style category separately. So as you see, the voices here have a separate knob, and I would like to demonstrate the brand new voices from the new i510. So starting off with Veena, so this is how it sounds. Voices like Bulbul Tarang are brand new for this particular model. So that's how Bulbul Tarang sounds, and something like Sitar. So moving on to the styles now. So most of the beats and rhythm patterns you hear in this keyboard are film inspired. So songs like Arabic Kutu. So this keyboard has an exact replica of how the Arabic Kutu song sounds like. Not only this keyboard also has an exact replica of how Vande Mataram by A.R. Rahman sounds. I'll just show it to you. So as I said, most of the styles in this keyboard are inspired from the film music. Okay. Now moving on to the Riyaz section here. So in the previous models, the Riyaz had only Hindustani and Carnatic. Whereas in this keyboard, we have introduced something known as soul cut. The soul cut is something in the urban regions and the rural regions. There are a set of classical people who practice using this instrument called Mridangam. So patterns from Mridangam are called soul cut. So that is what we have introduced in this. So let me show you a few examples from this. Like this, there are a few patterns from the soul cutter. And moving on to the song section now. So in the previous model, songs had only Hindustani raga and the Carnatic raga. Whereas in this keyboard, we have introduced a new category called Geetam. And Geetam also has one of the most famous songs, such as Kamala Jatala and Kalyani. Let me show you Kalyani. And let me show you Kamala Jatala. So such similar songs are available in this beautiful model. Okay, let me introduce quick sampling to you all. So by default, the quick sampling has 4 different defaultly loaded samples, which sounds like this. I can also keep this loop running by holding this button and clicking a sample. The best part is with the help of the mic input behind, you'll be able to load your customized samples in this 4 sample pads. So let's say you're a beatboxer and you're an instrumentalist, you can record beatboxing and load it into the current sampler here. Okay, so now moving on to the next feature called the looper feature. So let me demonstrate how the looper works. So let's say I select a style or a voice from the keyboard. So I'm selecting the Chenda voice, which is brand new. This is how it sounds. Okay, this is how I loop. So if I hit the looper button again, I'll be able to choose another voice without getting looped. Looping again. Hitting the play button again. I'll be able to save it. And even if I turn off the keyboard and turn it on, the looper stays as it is. Until and unless I hold the clear button and hit the looper to clear it, and that's when the looper gets cleared. The best part is you can record multiple layers of the looping. You'll be able to use the multiple voices here and use the looper endlessly. Okay, so next moving on to the auto chord feature. So most of the players, most of the instrumentalists, they use auto chord, but they don't know the exact features or use it to the fullest. Let me show you how auto chord feature helps us. Okay, so let me turn this on. So let's say I want to play a song. So usually the left hand plays the chord and right hand plays the melody. But with the use of auto chord on, let's see what happens. The chord changes by itself. Okay, now what if I want to change my chord progression? Let me use shift. Let me choose my style. So right now my key is C major. These are the chord progressions available. There are 100 plus chord progressions available. So let me choose the progression which I want. So what just happened is I was able to use both my hands to play the entire instrument. Okay. So now let's move to the newest features, that is called Mega Boost and Motion Effect. So what does Mega Boost does is, so it has a 3 level of volume differentiation, which sounds like this. It also comes with 6 different EQs, that is standard EQ, Indian EQ, bright 1, bright 2, mellow 1 and mellow 2. So it also helps you change the EQ based on your preferences. Now let's see what motion effect does. Let me choose another style. I'm choosing Future House for now. Let's see what this button does. I can also change the kind of effect I want to use. Let's say I want to use pan. Let's say I want to use slice and pitch. let's say I want to use pitch down. So this is something to do with the motion effect. Okay, so compared to the 510 and the 610, the 610 has a modulation wheel, and you'll be able to connect an expression pedal as well using you can play strings or any kind of let's say organ instruments or any synthesizers also. And the best and the major upgrade from the 510 to 610 is the 510 has only 6 watts of speakers each, whereas the 610 has 12 watts each, which is of course a massive upgrade. And even the number of voices and the styles are much more higher in the 610. In 510 there are 800 plus, and in the 610 there are 900 plus. So this is it with the brand new I series. Thank you.